for today's Directed, this will be going to be just chill, fun, and relaxing. And for sure, mag-e-enjoy din kayo habang pinapanood nyo itong Direct. Kasi, alam nyo naman, nandito tayo ngayon sa Studio 300 Bowling. Dahil mag-bowling tayo together with our partners. Especially, kasama natin ngayon ang Huawei Cloud dahil meron tayong collaboration with them. So, are you excited for today's Directed? Dahil ako excited na ako. Gusto ko na mag-bowling! It's all about fun and just relaxation. This is how we wanted our valued partners to experience on this day as we collaborated again with Huawei Cloud Philippines at Studio 300 Pioneer in Pasig City. Because once in a while, deserve naman nating mag-unwind, diba? I'm glad to see our participants enjoying the bowling match we have prepared for them. Competitive ang bawat groups while they're having fun and collaborating with each other.
Very entertaining. There's a lot of activities. We have billiard, we have bowling. The food is good, especially scallops.
I enjoy very much. This is the third time I play bowling and I still need more practice, but I'm very amazed that every Filipinos can play that. Yeah, I really enjoy watching them playing the bowling.
And, by the way, did you know? It's the first time for some of our participants na maglaro ng bowling. Nakakatuwa, diba? Kasi memorable itong directed experience for them.
No preparation talaga, but habang tumatagal yung play, so nagagamay naman yung pagbato.
First time po talaga at saka siguro kakapanood lang ng social media.
Hindi, first time ko lang talaga mag-bowling. Talagang enjoy pala yung first time. So, yun nga, ang galing. Enjoy.
We also have time to play billiards, network with each other, and enjoy the foods that were served. And before the day ends, together with our Huawei Cloud partners, Miss Angie Lugo or Miss Cecilia, Mr. Christian Ray de la Cruz, and Mr. Randall Galang awarded the winners of the bowling game.
Through these events, we know more customers' cloud requirement already. So I hope that after this event, our partner DirecTALES can help us to finalize like the meeting schedule with them to help them to solve their business requirement, to grow the business each other together. And we hope that this cloud technology can be brought to more companies to get the local business grow bigger and stronger.
And this has been a great and fun collaboration with Huawei Cloud and with our partners. Sana nag-enjoy kayo mga ka-Directadas kasi ako super nag-enjoy. So, once again, this is Sandra for DirecTALES. See you again on our next one. Bye!
At Direc, we make it easy.